Arches National Park is located in Moab, Utah. During peak season, it gets very warm, so make sure to pack plenty of water. There's a bottle filling station located at the Visitor Center. The first thing you'll come to is Park Avenue. If you aren't up for walking along the canyon floor, there's also an overlook area. If you walk the entire thing and then back again, it's about 2 miles. You're in the sun most of the time, so make sure to wear some sunscreen. The ground is almost as interesting to look at as the canyon walls. Seeing all of the different layers is so fascinating. You'll probably see a lizard or two as well. After Park Avenue, there are rock formations such as the Three Gossips, the Courthouse, Sheep Rock, and Balanced Rock. We then visited Double Arch. It is a short walk from the parking lot. It is definitely more interesting up close than it appears from the road. It was one of our favorites. My boys liked that you could climb up inside, and it certainly gave you a new perspective. On the other side of the parking lot, you'll find the north and south window arches. They are also a short distance from the parking lot. Right across from window arches is Turret Arch. So in less than 2 miles of walking, you'll see 4 different arches. Farther up the road is the trailhead for the most famous arch, Delicate Arch. Toward the beginning of the trail, you'll come across some petroglyphs. Most of this 3-mile hike is in the sun without any shade, so make sure you have enough water and don't do it in the extreme heat. It's a good idea to wear sunscreen, hats, and sunglasses. There is a narrow section with a drop-off, so keep small children close by. It was even bigger than we imagined. Sand Dune Arch is tucked away in the shade. It's about a 1/4 mile from the road. You'll find it on the other side of a narrow slot. It's surrounded by the softest sand. It's a good place to rest and let the kids play. Continue along the same trail and you'll find Broken Arch. It's an easy, flat trail. To Broken Arch and back again is 1.7 miles. It's called Broken Arch because at some point, the lighter colored rocks from the top fell to the bottom. Farther up the road is Skyline Arch. It is only a 1/4 mile walk from the road. If you continue on, there's another arch called Tapestry Arch. We did not end up doing it this trip. Tunnel Arch is a short distance from the Devil's Garden trailhead. Walk a bit further and you'll come to Pine Tree Arch. This is one of my favorites since it's quiet and shady. Landscape Arch is very popular among visitors. It is the longest arch in the world, spanning an impressive 290 feet. Farther up the trail, you'll find Partition Arch and Navajo Arch. The highlight of our trip was continuing on to Double O Arch. To get to Double O, continue hiking past Landscape Arch on the Devil's Garden Trail. It's one of the most challenging trails in the park. I'm afraid of heights, and the drop-offs on either side of the ridge were scary to me, but conquering my fear made the hike that much more rewarding. This is one of the most beautiful arches in the whole park. Past Double O Arch is a tall stone pillar called Dark Angel. If you hike to Dark Angel and all the way back to the trailhead, The total distance is 4.7 miles. My boys love fishing, so we sought out a place that they could try to catch some fish nearby. We had good luck at Ken's Lake and ended up going back a second day. So if you're visiting Arches and want to fish too, we recommend this little reservoir. If you love the outdoors, then Arches is definitely a must-do trip. Follow me for more travel videos as well as DIY projects.